Ever felt your heart race at the mere sight of someone? Ever found your tongue tied into knots when they're around? Yes, having a crush can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. It's a universal experience that comes with a side of butterflies and a dash of self-consciousness. So how do you navigate these choppy waters? How do you muster up the confidence to be yourself around your crush? Today, we're going to break it down. Firstly, remember that confidence starts from within. Believe in yourself and your worth. Remember, you are unique, and that's your superpower. Embrace your quirks and individuality. They make you, you. Secondly, practice makes perfect. Start with small, manageable interactions. Say hello, share a smile, or make a light, casual comment. As you grow more comfortable, gradually increase the complexity of your interactions. Next, remember that it's okay to feel nervous. It's a sign that you care, that you want to make a good impression. Turn this nervous energy into enthusiasm. Be interested, ask questions, and listen actively. Show your crush that you value their thoughts and opinions. Also, it's crucial to maintain a balanced perspective. Don't put your crush on a pedestal. They're human just like you, with their own strengths and weaknesses. This can help you feel more at ease around them. Another trick is to practice self-care. When you feel good about yourself, it shines through. Take care of your physical health, mental well-being, and personal grooming. This can boost your confidence and help you feel more comfortable in your own skin. Lastly, remember that it's okay to be vulnerable. Showing your authentic self, including your imperfections, can be incredibly attractive. It shows courage, sincerity, and depth. So don't be afraid to be real. In summary, building confidence around your crush involves believing in yourself, starting with small interactions, accepting your nervousness, maintaining a balanced perspective, practicing self-care, and being authentic. Remember, confidence doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey. So be patient with yourself. And remember, whether or not your crush reciprocates your feelings, you are still a valuable and worthy individual. So go ahead, take that leap of faith. You've got this.